Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix brightness problem on Oppo phone. Friends, you want to fix your phone brightness problem. So how to fix brightness problem, how to solve brightness problem on Oppo phone. Friends, sometime your Oppo phone brightness decrease automatic and increase automatic. So friends, you have this problem. So how to fix and solve this problem on Oppo phone device. In this video friends, I will show you. Friends, first of all open your phone setting to solve brightness problem. After on phone setting, friends you can see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection setting, home screen setting. Friends click on display and brightness. Out on fan display brightness, friends you can see dark mode like light mode. Friends you want to on dark mode, you can on friends dark mode, and friends you don't want to use dark mode, you can off from here. So friends you can see your auto brightness. When by mistake you have enabled your auto brightness, friends this icon friends click here, friends your brightness problem will solve. Friends now you can increase your brightness, you can set friends your brightness level. Your brightness will not decrease and decrease automatic on your Oppo phone device. And guys, again friends, if you enable friends your brightness will decrease and increase automatic. So you will have to only disable your auto brightness, hence your brightness problem will solve on your Oppo phone. And friends, now you can use your phone guide without any brightness problem. Brightness will not increase and decrease automatic friends. And friends, you can solve your brightness problem with shortcut setting is search here auto setting, auto brightness. Click here, direct friends click here, your problem will solve. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to solve brightness problem on Oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, now you have any doubt problem on your Oppo phone device, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.